She was the first Indian musician to receive the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award.
She sang devotional songs like Bhaj Govindam and Vishnu Sahasranam are still